and welcome back to the new video of Gati Education. And we are right now learning the subject software engineering, and we were on different types of process model. Till today we have learned waterfall model and incremental model. So without wasting any time, let us get back to the next model of today's video. So today we are going to learn RAD model. That is a type of incremental process model that we have already discussed in the last to last video, that RAD and incremental model are the types of incremental process model. So in the last video we have already learned the incremental model, and RAD is also a type of incremental process model. So there are increments in this model too, but this model is faster than any other model. When you want your software to be ready in 60 to 90 days, you can always opt for this model. So let us learn how this model works. So again, here also these 5 key things are there, that is communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment. So communication about the software requirement will be there, requirement gathering will be there first of all. Thereafter, planning about the deadline, the resources required, resource management and everything will be there. And the most important thing about this model is there will be 2 teams working upon a same project. That means communication and planning, that is requirement gathering and planning about everything, resources, resource management, the deadlines and everything will be done once. Thereafter, 2 different teams will be working on modeling and construction of the software, and thereafter the software will be deployed. So more minds working on a project, more efficient work you can get, and simply faster work you will get. So this is why RAD model is used. But when you have some software or the requirements are a bit clumsy, or there is some risk involved in the technology, you can never opt for RAD model, because 2 different teams work upon it, different types of people work upon it. So RAD model is not recommended at that time. RAD model is always recommended when you want quicker or faster deployment of the software. So 2 teams work upon a same project. This is how this RAD model works. But there are some drawbacks of RAD model, such as 2 teams working on a same software. That means so many people required. So some small budget companies cannot work upon it. Then high risk involved, because if the technology has some risks and the requirements are not very clear, then this model won't work properly. And as it is the next version, incremental version of waterfall model, so we get all the software at the end, that is deployment is at the end, and you won't be able to see the increments working up. So this model has some advantages plus has some disadvantages together. It is like that coin has 2 sides, na? Just like that, RAD model is advantageous in some sense when you want quick work and all, but can be dangerous too when some high risk is involved in the technology. So this is how our RAD model works, and this much for today's video. We'll meet in the next video with the next type of process models, that is the evolutionary process models. Till then, be safe, keep learning, and if you like my video, as usual, I'll say that please subscribe my channel and click that bell icon for notifications. Thank you.